Have you ever felt that sudden jolt of fear when your foot slips slightly on a step? Maybe you've blamed the carpet, your shoes, or simply aging. But what if the real culprit is hiding right there in your kitchen, silently weakening your bones, day by day? Scientists warn that certain everyday foods could be secretly sabotaging your bones, making falls and fractures inevitable. Today, we're revealing the 7 foods seniors must avoid to stay strong, steady, and safe. Imagine your bones as sturdy beams, holding your body upright, letting you enjoy your daily walks, gardening, or playing with grandkids. Now imagine something slowly dissolving those beams from the inside, day after day, without you noticing. Sounds scary, doesn't it? That's exactly what your daily soda habit is doing. According to a landmark study from Tufts University, drinking soda, especially colas, is linked directly to lower bone mineral density in seniors. The hidden villain here is phosphoric acid, a common additive in most dark sodas. It quietly disrupts your body's ability to absorb calcium, the critical mineral your bones desperately need to stay strong and dense. Let me tell you about Ellen. At 67, she was energetic and seemingly healthy, but soda was her daily companion, a comforting habit she'd developed decades ago. Ellen never gave her beverage choice a second thought until a routine slip on her porch led to a shattered wrist. Doctors found her bones had become alarmingly fragile, a condition directly traced back to her daily cola intake. And Ellen isn't alone. A Harvard Medical School study found seniors who regularly consumed soft drinks had almost double the risk of debilitating hip fractures compared to those who didn't. Just think. Every fizzy sip is silently trading your independence for momentary pleasure. Is that sugary fizz really worth your freedom? Maybe today's the day to reconsider that can of soda. You've heard warnings about salt causing high blood pressure, but there's another danger lurking, one that strikes directly at your bones. Too much salt isn't just bad for your heart, it's silently robbing your bones of critical strength, making fractures more likely with every salty meal you eat. The reason? Sodium forces your body to lose calcium rapidly. Here's how it works. Every time you consume excess salt, your kidneys must flush it out. But as your kidneys do their job, they inadvertently wash away precious calcium from your bones. The more salt you consume, the more calcium you lose, and eventually, your bones pay the price. A groundbreaking Japanese study published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research showed a frightening correlation. Seniors who ate a high-sodium diet lost significantly more bone density annually compared to those with moderate salt intake. Simply put, their bones were literally thinning faster, all because of salty snacks, processed meats, and even canned soups. Take Robert, for example, a 72-year-old retiree who loved salty pretzels and deli meats. These foods were his daily staples. He never considered himself unhealthy until one ordinary afternoon changed everything. While gardening, Robert felt his ankle give way. No fall, no slip, just sudden, shocking pain. Doctors discovered that his bones had become dangerously weak from chronic calcium loss, accelerated by his high-salt diet. Now, ask yourself this: is the extra pinch of salt or that processed snack really worth the risk of losing your strength, independence, or even your mobility? Your bones deserve better than to crumble under the invisible pressure of excess salt. That morning cup of coffee might feel like your lifeline, warming your hands, sharpening your focus, and giving you that much-needed energy boost. But what if I told you each cup could slowly be stealing away your bone strength, one sip at a time? It's true. Excessive caffeine intake has been directly linked to accelerated bone loss, especially among seniors. Here's the unsettling truth behind your beloved brew. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, meaning it forces your body to flush out fluids faster. Unfortunately, along with these fluids goes vital calcium, the building block of strong, healthy bones. Over time, This continuous calcium depletion weakens your bones, leaving you vulnerable to fractures from minor slips or falls. Consider Linda, a 70-year-old retired nurse who cherished her daily ritual of 4 cups of coffee. To Linda, coffee was comfort, habit, and energy, all rolled into one. But a sudden, unexplained wrist fracture after a minor stumble forced her doctors to investigate deeper. They found her bones had thinned significantly, largely due to her chronic high caffeine intake. A prominent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reinforced this connection, highlighting that seniors drinking more than 3 cups of coffee per day had substantially reduced bone density compared to those who consumed less or none at all. The risk grows sharply with every additional cup. Now, imagine this. Are those extra cups of coffee really worth the risk of spending weeks immobilized, losing your freedom and independence? Moderation could mean the difference between a strong, active life and the silent deterioration of your bones. Think twice before pouring that next cup. Your bones may depend on it. Picture a juicy steak sizzling on the grill. It sounds delicious, right? But did you know that regularly indulging in red meat might be quietly sabotaging your bones from within? It's a hidden threat few seniors ever think about, but research tells a story you can't afford to ignore. Here's the unsettling truth. Eating excessive amounts of red meat introduces high levels of animal protein into your system. While protein itself is essential, too much animal-based protein creates acidic conditions in your body. Your bones, desperately trying to restore balance, release calcium, their most vital mineral, to neutralize this acidity. Over time, this protective measure weakens your bones, leaving them thin, brittle, and dangerously susceptible to breaks. Take Mike, for example, a retired firefighter who always believed a good steak was key to staying strong. But at age 69, after years of indulging regularly in red meat, Mike fractured his hip during an ordinary walk. Doctors explained his condition was linked directly to years of excessive animal protein intake, which had silently depleted his bones' calcium reserves. Scientific evidence backs up Mike's experience. A major study published in Osteoporosis International found that seniors consuming higher amounts of red meat had noticeably lower bone mineral density, drastically increasing their fracture risk compared to those who enjoyed leaner or plant-based protein options. So before reaching for another heavy serving of red meat, ask yourself this critical question. Is the fleeting pleasure on your plate worth the lifelong consequences of weaker bones and diminished independence? Moderation could be the key difference between enjoying life actively or watching it slip away from the sidelines. A glass of wine with dinner, a celebratory toast with friends. Harmless, right? Unfortunately, for aging bones, even moderate drinking can quietly open the door to danger, and most people don't even realize it's happening. Alcohol is a known enemy of bone health. It interferes with the body's ability to absorb calcium and vital nutrients like vitamin D, both critical for maintaining strong bones. But it gets worse. Alcohol also disrupts the balance of hormones like estrogen and testosterone, both of which play essential roles in preserving bone density as we age. Let's look at Tom, 71 years old, lively, social, and never one to say no to a nightly glass or 2 of whiskey. Tom didn't smoke, stayed reasonably active, and thought he was doing everything right. But when a simple fall while reaching for a book left him with a fractured hip, the real culprit wasn't age alone. It was years of subtle bone erosion fueled by alcohol. Science strongly supports this link. A study from the National Institutes of Health found that even moderate alcohol intake accelerates bone loss in seniors, increasing fracture risks dramatically, especially in the hips and spine. The tragedy? Many seniors believe moderate drinking is harmless because the effects on bone happen slowly, invisibly, until one fall changes everything. Ask yourself, is that evening drink worth the risk of months or years of lost mobility and painful recovery? Maybe it's time to rethink those harmless habits, because when it comes to protecting your bones, Even small changes today could save your independence tomorrow. Cookies, pastries, white bread. They may taste like sweet comfort, but behind that delicious bite lurks a bitter truth, one that's quietly eating away at your bones. Excess sugar and refined carbohydrates do far more than spike your blood sugar. They trigger chronic inflammation throughout the body. And when inflammation runs rampant, it doesn't just attack your joints or heart, it weakens your bones too. Worse yet, high blood sugar levels directly interfere with the bone remodeling process, making it harder for your body to repair and maintain strong skeletal structure. Think of Margaret, a retired teacher with a sweet tooth she never quite kicked. A few cookies here, a slice of cake there, it seemed innocent enough. But when a minor fall left her with a fractured wrist that took months to heal, doctors found her bone density had been slowly deteriorating, worsened by decades of hidden inflammation and sugar-related bone damage. Medical research supports this troubling connection. A comprehensive study published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research revealed that seniors with higher blood sugar levels, often driven by refined carbohydrate consumption, had significantly lower bone quality, increasing fracture risks even from minor incidents. It's a silent sabotage. You don't feel the erosion happening. You just suddenly realize one day something gave way that shouldn't have. So the next time you reach for that donut or sugary snack, pause and ask yourself, is this momentary treat worth months of painful recovery, or even the loss of your independence? When it comes to protecting your bones, sweetness could be your most bitter enemy. It's fast, it's convenient, it's everywhere. But those neatly packaged snacks and frozen meals could be quietly chiseling away at your bone strength every single day. Processed foods are loaded with additives, like phosphates, artificial preservatives, and excess sodium, that wreak havoc on your body's delicate mineral balance. High levels of phosphates, in particular, have been shown to strip calcium from bones, weakening them faster than aging alone ever could. Here's the invisible danger. While your taste buds are celebrating the flavors, your bones are silently starving. Over time, this mineral imbalance makes bones brittle, thin, and far more likely to fracture under even minor stress. It's fast, it's convenient, it's everywhere. But those neatly packaged snacks and frozen meals could be quietly chiseling away at your bone strength every single day. Processed foods are loaded with additives like phosphates, artificial preservatives, and excess sodium that wreak havoc on your body's delicate mineral balance. High levels of phosphates in particular have been shown to strip calcium from bones, weakening them faster than aging alone ever could. Here's the invisible danger. While your taste buds are celebrating the flavors, your bones are silently starving. Over time, this mineral imbalance makes bones brittle, thin, and far more likely to fracture under even minor stress. Take Sharon, a 69-year-old widow who turned to easy frozen dinners after her husband passed away. She thought she was simplifying life, but years of heavy reliance on processed meals led to severe osteoporosis, only discovered after a minor stumble led to 2 fractured ribs. It wasn't just time passing. It was what she was fueling her body with. Research from the European Journal of Nutrition highlights the risk clearly. Seniors with high processed food consumption showed significantly reduced bone density compared to those eating more fresh, whole foods. The worst part? Processed foods often masquerade as healthy, with labels like low fat or high protein, hiding their destructive ingredients behind marketing buzzwords. So next time you reach for that microwavable meal or packaged snack, remember, convenience today could cost you dearly in mobility, strength, and independence tomorrow. Your bones deserve better than chemical-laced shortcuts. They deserve real nourishment, the kind that builds strength for the life you still have ahead. Imagine standing on a bridge, the strong kind that's carried you through every stage of your life. Now imagine tiny cracks forming under your feet, not from one catastrophic event, but from countless tiny, silent blows you didn't even realize were happening. Every bite matters. Every choice matters. The foods you put on your plate today are either building your bones up or quietly tearing them down. And here's the good news. It's never too late to change the story. Small swaps, simple choices, even one less soda or processed snack a week could start turning the tide back in your favor. Your bones are still listening. They're still responding. They're still fighting for you. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you already made changes to protect your bones? Or did today's video open your eyes to something new? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might just be the encouragement someone else needs to take their first step toward stronger, healthier years ahead. And if you're ready to uncover even more surprising habits that could either save or sabotage your health, stay tuned. Because what's coming next might just change the way you see your daily routines forever.